Hi, I am back. My name is Rashid. This is my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, and share. Okay? Share, because sharing is caring. Share me here, there, and everywhere. This is an expression, an idiomatic expression that we use in English. Here, there, and everywhere. It means in all directions. Okay, so share me, please, in all social media forms and types. So, nice. Today, this is lesson number 2 about the semi-present. Okay, so today we have the negative form of the semi-present. Last lesson was about the affirmative form of the semi-present, and just very quick recap. The affirmative form of the semi-present is only two things. Okay, two things. So we have I, you, we, and they. We never change the verb. Okay, we never change the verb. He, she, and it. The verb changes. Okay, it takes s or es or ies. Is that clear? Nice. All the verbs which take s with he and she and it are the verbs which end with consonants e or vowel plus y. All the verbs in English which take es at the end with he, she, and it are all the verbs ending with o, x, s, double s, ch, sh. Okay, so you remember that. Nice. And all the verbs which take ies, so we replace y with ies when we have he, she, and it. What are these verbs? You remember? Wow, very great. So all the verbs which end with consonant plus y, we replace the y with ies. That's nice. Now let's go for the negative form. The negative form of the semi-present is really a piece of cake. It's a piece of cake. It means very easy. Two things. Yes, two things. Why are you surprised? Don't or doesn't. So I, you, we, they don't. And never change the verb. The verb in the base form. He, she, it doesn't. And never change the verb. And never change the verb? Yes, because this is the negative. We have doesn't, okay? In the negative form, we never change the verb with all the subjects. With all the subjects, the verb stays in the base form. Nice? Let's have some examples. I don't like fast food. You don't drive very well. You're bad at driving. We don't have any idea. They don't speak Spanish. Nice. But look, watch. He, she, and it, we use what? We use doesn't. So he doesn't like American movies. She doesn't write very well. It doesn't eat fish. My cat, because it doesn't like them. Nice. So this is the negative form. I told you it's two things. It's really easy. So don't or doesn't, but never change the verb. Let's now have a look at the interrogative form of the simple present, or the question form. How can I make a question in the simple present? Nice. It's also two things. Just two things. That's it. Always two things. Okay. We either use do with I, you, we, and they, or does with he, she, and it at the beginning. Okay. So we have, for example, do I look good? Yes, of course I do. Thank you. Do you watch my lessons in my YouTube channel? Crazy English. Please follow me. Do you have any idea? Do you have any idea? Uh, do they watch TV? He and she and it, we use does. Does he sleep well? Does she sleep well? Sleep, okay. Does it sleep well? For example, an animal, because it is used for animals and objects. So this is the question form in the simple present. It's only two things, do or does. Now we are going to do an exercise. Don't or doesn't. Number one, I don't. Very good. You have a good memory. We don't. Very good. She doesn't. Excellent. So that's it. Okay, she doesn't. Now let's do this exercise, the interrogative form. Okay, you're going to choose do or does. Number one, we have you. Do you. Very good. Do you. Number two, she. Does she? And the last example, they, do they. Very good, do they. So now the last part of this lesson today is how do we answer questions in simple present. Okay, if you have a question starting with do or does, how do you answer the question? So you can answer the question in two ways, okay, with yes or no. Because if I ask you, for example, do you speak English? You can say yes, I do, or no, I don't. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. Some people they answer yes, I do speak English, or yes, I speak English. That's also correct, but it's better to use the short form. Yes, I do, or no, I don't. So we can answer with yes or no. Any question with do or does, we answer with yes or no. Yes or no with yes, I, you, we, and they do. No, I, you, we, and they don't. Or yes, he, she, it does. Or no, he, she, it doesn't. Thank you so much. I hope my lesson was very clear today for you and very easy to understand.